Part 2 of Chapter 5, Jalal's first royal protector. Alauddin Ki Kubad was now dead, and his son, Gayasuddin K. Khusrev, reigned in his stead. The monarch one day made a feast in the vineyards and went forth into the fields for a walk alone. He picked up a young snake, carried it indoors, and placed it in a gold box, sealed this up, and then rejoined his courtiers. To those attendants, the king exhibited the sealed packet as having just then been privately received from the Caesar. In Latin, that would be Caesar, and in Greek, it would be Kaisar of Constantinople, with a message to this effect: if your religion of Islam be the true faith, some one of your wise men will be able to see into this packet without breaking its seals and to tell what it contains. That's a silly test, but the king then called upon his ministers to prove their loyalty to him and their faithfulness to their religion by solving this riddle. None of them was able. The packet was now sent round in succession to all the eminent teachers and theologians of the city, but none could unravel the enigma. At last it was brought to Jalal, as Sheikh Feridun and he were sitting together. Jalal invited Feridun to tell them the contents of the packet, and he immediately replied, "It is not a dignified act in the king to imprison a young snake in a gold box, sealing this up as a packet, and then tempting his courtiers, ministers, and learned men with false pretense. A saint, however, knows not only the solution of so paltry a trick as this, but it is also aware of every thought in the king's heart and every secret of earth and heaven." When this answer was reported to the king, he came to the college, professed himself a disciple, remarking, "If the disciples of Shamsuddin possess such power and work such miracles, how great must have been the sanctity of the murdered martyr." Feridun acted for 10 years as assistant to Jalal.